Are you in there?
Does it seem like too close?
No, I don't know. I can't tell.
Yeah.
You're out of the frame, though, a little bit here. Just everybody scoot down a little bit. See, okay?
this is...
Now it's perfect. Into the Void Anime.
Mustache.
Joey Bra.
Ash.
I feel off-centered. Dude.
Yeah, me too, yeah.
Back with another Somali and the Forest Spirit reaction. Episode 5.
The Wandering Birds.
The Wandering Birds. Last episode recap.
My boy Kakilla came
Killer.
through. And we had our
Wolfman was good.
Yeah.
Wolfman was a good man. Oh man, last episode the dads, dude, were just like
Ooh,
fatherly lessons.
a lot of
a
lot of fatherly lessons. Yes. Yeah.
Just be the best man you can be.
Yeah. Yeah.
Be the best father you could be.
Good episode. Ended with
Wholesome.
her. Yeah, just being a little sick. He was like, "I'm so sorry, I hurt you, Somali."
See, I feel like as a series whole, you know what I mean? Like, this may not, this isn't a My Hero or, a Demon Slayer or a Dr. Stone to where it's like in your face, like boom.
Yeah.
But I feel like this is definitely a show that you're going to want to watch with like your kids almost.
Oh yeah.
It's like this is a good introductory to anime for kids.
Yeah.
Even though they're probably going to cry at the end.
We'll see. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll decide at the end of the series, but
Hey man, it's okay to cry to something.
it's okay to cry. Because you know what? Life's up and down. And all around.
You said life's up, and I immediately just wanted to be like, yeah, dude! Life's up, dude!
And down. I don't know. Alright, let's get into it. I'm excited.
Oh, they're going to the desert. I forgot.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm
he
sure
was
we've gotten a
sad.
little time jump, because remember he had to get the money back?
Yeah. That fool so buff in the back, dude.
I know. His back muscles, dude.
Man.
Aww.
They should just join him, dude. Close down the shop for
He,
them.
really? He has a wife and kid, bro!
Wolfman should just follow them, too.
Yeah. No, he can't. He's part of the pack or whatever.
I just want them all to be happy, dude.
Yeah.
The elite.
It looks like she's like...
That dude is reading right there.
Yeah.
Chilling.
Lizard man? What do you think he's reading?
He's like, lost human on the loose.
Yeah. There they go. Oh, they're taking the wagon, dude, instead of walking. Means he must have got some good money then.
Yeah. Dude gave him a raise.
Yeah.
Take a sip of this Schlitz malt liquor. Ooh, I bet you it's hot water, dude.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Hot water sucks.
Wine Cup Village. What was the last one?
Ant Hill Village,
Anthill.
yeah. Damn, dude, there's a lot of funky places,
Ooh,
dude.
that's pretty cool.
Request denied.
Some alcohol? Okay.
The lopsided good eyes.
He's already drunk, dude. He's done for.
Can you imagine if you got drunk and your eyes just
We're
got
ready.
lopsided?
Having an Isaac, huh?
Oh, gosh.
The wine is made from corn.
You drink this White Claw.
this white corn.
Also somebody else we see in
Oh, yeah, it is.
the beginning.
Ooh.
Been waiting to see. Oh, man. She knows.
Yeah, this guy, too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've been waiting to see those, too.
Spooky.
Oh, they split it.
Yeah. Oh. I thought that was his face for a second, but if you look at his thing, it's a mask. Like his what do you call it? Normal.
I wonder if he's a human.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, man.
Oh,
I
bird.
don't know though, but it looked like a mask
Yeah.
because you can see his neck straight up.
It makes me think that like she knows something. You know what I mean?
Because as soon as she found out, like,
Yeah.
she was human, she's like, oh, she stopped fighting with the ice cream. It's free passage. You gotta take it. Travel buddies.
I expected him to like say something.
Yeah.
Something sinister. There's still time.
Yeah.
A little duck feet.
Oh, look!
Oh.
She's gonna take his mask off.
Dang, we got another human, man.
Wait, but what's up with this?
He said he was sick. Like,
Oh.
hella sick.
I wish I had bird feet. Can you imagine the shoes?
Oh.
What? What are they gonna do, man? Oh, my boy.
He's like turning into like what she is.
What do they have to do to them?
Yeah.
Like, what's that gonna solve anything?
Can he like pass the curse? You know what I mean? If it is a curse.
Maybe. She's gonna feel guilty about it, though.
Too bad he can't just like look at him and just sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Out of all things, with his eye, like he can look at everything else except for that.
Legit. That's a regular ass lizard right there, man.
It wasn't a person at all, dude. I wonder what the difference is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Lizards and lizard people.
Oh,
Oh.
Ooh.
See, he can sense something's approaching, but he can't sense what it's a human. Oh, a savage fish.
It's got a shotgun ready to go.
Oh, dang.
Oh, like a little...
Yeah, I thought I was gonna legit just shoot him. Oh, sand otters?
Sand otters,
That's
dude.
so
That's
cute.
sick. Oh, they got stuck.
Is it a tortoise?
Yeah.
Yes! What up? What up, y'all?
Maybe they just want to keep them alive so they could help them cook.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
That sounds...
We can help him.
It's like every white girl with the crystal around.
Oh my gosh.
It's like, oh yeah, this is a crystal finger.
This crystal puts off warmth.
Puts my chakras in order. There's just a kid in there with one of those things that you spin around.
I have a funny story about those. I'll tell you some other time.
Alright.
Watch them pitch the tent and he's just like, hey man, she's trying to kill you.
Yeah.
Kid. See, it's like exact opposites. You know what I mean? The human is probably like raising her.
Yeah. That's so true. I don't know, but she seemed a little like into that dude, you know?
Yeah, I saw it as like
yeah.
a relationship type thing.
I call him daddy.
Oh my god. You're my dad. Woogie woogie woogie.
It is the same. It is the same though. Maybe they're just
Companions.
yeah.
She loves him.
See, now she's realizing too, like,
Yep.
We're
I'll go
not
through
so
with it.
different, you and I.
See what you need to do.
oh, maybe he does know.
Maybe.
Her feet. I love it.
It's gonna drown her.
I know. Like, I see your human eye.
My eye hole popped out, dude. I hate it when that happens.
Oh.
Dang, dude, don't do it. Please don't do it. He's gonna tell him right now, like, go save her. Oh, he's gonna step up on him. Send him to those. Oh, what are their names? The
Oh,
Unis?
the Oni.
Yeah, Onis. Onis.
I was just thinking that.
Send him that way, dude.
They would have just talked it
I
out.
know.
See, she just wants a transfusion.
Just a blood transfusion. Oh! Bro, just take some
She
blood.
looks so
Oh.
cool.
Okay.
I gotta kill you
That was a good one.
with no questions asked. No communication.
Don't look at me.
Yeah, also don't look me in the eye. Wear these sunglasses.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. That was good.
Yeah. Finally, we got
Oh
to
my-
see another human, but he's all
you got that thing like
jacked
him.
up.
Yeah. He's like deathly ill of something? Some kind of
Yeah,
bird?
what if he does? Like, what if, they are looking for a cure for him, but what if Gollum is just like, yo, dog,
Yeah.
my homies, the Onis, you know what I mean?
Homies the Onis. Shirts.
Shirts.
Yeah. He should have just talked it out. This chick wants to kill her now. She looks cool though.
She looks really cool.
yeah.
I like both of their.
It kind of reminds me of, what's her name? On Devilman.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Serene.
Serene.
Yeah.
Kind of reminds me of that. But,
But
on a different...
not like
But nice.
tits out and
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, kind of nice. She still wants to
yeah.
murder.
Still wants to murder.
She still wants to murder a child.
Yeah.
Yeah, another little cliffhanger, man. We got one 2 episodes ago.
Yeah.
When they were in the cave, and now we get one again. Both times she's about to die.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So I'm pretty sure she's not gonna die.
Wolfman's gonna show up. He's gonna be like, hey! Found you!
Shoot him with the bow. I don't know, man. That was cool. I feel like they're gonna be friends though, and they're gonna travel together.
Yeah.
But
I definitely feel like they're going to be reoccurring characters now.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
it's the only other human that they've come across. I hope they do go to the Onis. The Bronies.
The bronies.
Oh, no,
Oh,
not
they go to the
no.
bronies.
No, not bronies.
Shout out to all the bronies out there. Yeah.
No bronies.
The jabronis.
The jabronis and the bronies.
I like that episode. I really liked it. I like when, shows... I like it when animes have, a female... Like Serene and, her...
Oh,
I love that bird type,
That
but,
bird person.
Oh,
majestic
okay,
as
yeah.
hell. I love that. I love the animation. I love her eyes. And there's feathers.
Yeah. Curious what's happening to him. Why is
Yeah.
he getting feathers out of his eyes and coughing up?
I really
feather
wonder
blood.
if he is turning into one of them, because remember she said that he knew her mother.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe he was
Maybe that's his daughter.
maybe, but she was it seemed hella forward when they were on the bed together, and she was taking off his mask, and she
Yeah.
was between his legs. And
Oh
he was
yeah,
just
true.
I don't know.
Well, I wonder if she doesn't know that that's her dad. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And, ew.
Makes it worse.
Yeah, and he's just letting it happen. He's
No,
yeah.
he was like, stop.
I don't know, man. It's cool though. I like that they're both like the same though. Same story, just different, like
Flipped,
swapped. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh.
Another human has been found, but he's all jacked up. And if he would have just communicated,
it might have helped.
I mean, it's,
But then again, you
understand why he didn't communicate that.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm a human. Please also don't eat me.
Yeah.
Or kill me.
Well, I feel like he could have, like, they're in the wagon alone. You know what I mean?
I thought they were gonna talk about it like, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Check this out, dude.
Check this out.
Hey, bro, open your eye.
Yeah.
Open your third eye and see.
Thought that was gonna go somewhere dark right now.
Yeah. I don't know, man. This is a nice little TV show, right?
Stop messing with that, dude.
I'm sorry. I'm just picking at
Look
things,
at
dude.
kid,
I'm so nervous for Somali. I want her to be okay. I want Somali to be okay.
Damn.
But yeah, did you guys like it? Did you check it out, Andrew?
I heard about it.
You heard about it.
I heard about it. I watched the End of the Void anime videos.
Yeah.
So I've definitely heard about it.
If you stuck through this video, did I say that right? I feel like I stumbled that word.
Yeah, you did.
If you stuck through this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment down below. Still waiting on those Somali comments.
Yeah.
Anytime you guys want to talk to us, just leave it down below.
Yeah. I want to hear those tamale comments.
If you guys, all right, let's get real for a second. If you guys got some good tamales,
Oh damn.
can they send it? They can't send tamales in the mail.
No.
Huh? Dang.
Why would you want to?
Yeah, they wouldn't be fresh by the time they got to us.
It's the thought that counts.
But then they just wasted the postage.
I'll make you some tamales, dude.
If you guys got some good tamale recipes, drop them down below. Until next time, Into the Void Anime.
Mustache.
Joey, Bra.
Ash. Why you always gotta say
Viva la Mexico!
Hey,
You just
man.
throw it in there? You're so rude.
I did
Oh.
it.
Oh.
Alright, it's done.
Peace.
Bye.